Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Auto Amateur. This is the Spring 2022 Rocky Mountains Up and Down Tour. I'm really excited to be on this trip. Myself and a few buddies have been planning this for a couple of months now. Unfortunately, Mr. Jay Reed couldn't make it. Jay's got a new job and he's very busy at the moment, so he couldn't take the time out to get on the trip. But myself, my friend Michael, Chris, Alberto, Larry, Kelly, Todd, Duke, we're all here riding along, and Michael even brought his 8-year-old boy Hudson, who has become my new best friend and is absolutely awesome. So we're on this trip 5 days and well, more than 5 states. We started off in Minnesota, over to North Dakota, Wyoming, Montana, other way around, Montana then Wyoming, Colorado, South Dakota, Nebraska, not quite that order, but almost that order, as we've essentially done like a bit of a figure of 8, down to Boulder, Colorado, which is at the very foot, the base of the Rocky Mountains there, up into some gorgeous roads driving, and we've been sort of all over. There have only been 2 afternoons where we've had sort of long haul highways to drive, and this morning here on day 5 is the last. But not a very long video today, just wanted to give you a bit of a taste of what we've been doing here in the Rockies. Check out the cars that have come along for the ride and some of the scenery. More videos coming soon. An uncertain future for the 996 now as I consider selling it. And then all the excitement about choosing my next project car or my next driver. Either way, you know it's going to be a 911. Take care, drive safe, and get out and drive. Bye.